Hi everyone, this is Austin behind Origami Guy 04, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this origami simple pumpkin. And it's a really cool looking pumpkin. And I taught this model in a YouTube short, but I think this model deserves its own long-term video. And so, here we go, let's get started. So to fold this model, you can use any type of paper for this. And for this video, I'm going to use an ordinary sheet of kami. So it's orange on one side and white on the other. And this is a 6 by 6 inch square. But like I said, you can use any size square. Alright, so begin with the white side facing up, and we're going to fold in half in both directions. And by the way, click right here for the YouTube short, if you want to learn it from there. Okay, unfold. And now fold this corner to the middle. Just this corner, not the other three. And make your creases strong too. Okay, and fold this up. Now we're going to turn over top to bottom. And what we're going to do is we're going to fold this corner up. We're not folding to the top, we're going to fold it beyond. So we're going to fold this up. And I don't have an exact reference for this. So this is just to eyeball. But I say about this much is good. So if you look at it from this side, this point sticking out, whatever paper is sticking out, this is the stem of the pumpkin. See that? So I'm going to make the stem look like that. So about that is good. And to make sure you're going perfectly, you want to make sure that, well, it is kind of hard to see on the camera, but you want to make sure that this crease aligns with the crease below it. Make sure the two creases align. And crease sharply. Okay, and now comes the hardest step, but it's not that hard though. What we're going to do is we're going to divide this into thirds. So you want to fold this in, and you just want to estimate it so this is equal to this. And to check yourself, you got to fold this part behind like this. So we're making like an S shape. And if they're not exact, you have to fiddle with the folds until they do. So it's sticking out a little bit here, so you just want to just fiddle with it back and forth. Move this back, move this forward. Until you get it just right. A little bit more. And then once you're happy with your thirds, pinch like this. So that's, you want to make the points align on both sides. Alright, now keep this side up. And take this corner and fold it to this crease mark. Crease sharply. Rotate. And fold this corner to this corner. And crease sharply. Just kind of put your finger inside here as you're doing this so the paper doesn't get all crooked. Okay. And now we're going to do is we're going to stick one flap inside the other. And it doesn't matter which one. But I'm going to stick this flap inside of this one. So you want to open the pocket up. Just like this. And just tuck this flap inside. Just like this. And we're almost done. If you like a square pumpkin, then you're finished. But of course, if you want to round it, which most of you probably want to do, I'm sure you know what to do. We're going to fold these four corners in. And there's no reference for these, this is taste. So just fold them in about like this. You can pretty much round this model however you'd like, actually. Maybe if you want it even more rounder, you can fold these corners in. But I'm not going to do that because I think it looks nice just like this, and it's simpler and more cleaner, I think. And yeah, there it is. And if you want, you can draw a jack-o'-lantern face on here to make it even look more scary. But I'm not going to do that. I think it's good just like this. So there it is. This kind of looks like a mouth right here, but there's no eyes. Alright, well, enough of that. Hope you guys were able to follow this video and enjoyed making this origami pumpkin. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, happy Halloween.